Hi there, it's Jeff Straub with Straub Design LLC. Today I'm going to show you how to make sure that your decal is straight whenever you install it. You're going to need a tape measure, masking tape, scissors, and also a squeegee or a credit card. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is take a measurement of your decal. In this case, my decal is 8 inches tall by 17 inches wide. The next thing you'll want to do is take a measurement of your window, and for the sake of the video, let's just pretend that my window is a rectangle. So you will measure from the top to the bottom, which is 18 inches. So my window is 18 inches tall, the decal is 8 inches tall. What you want to do is subtract 18 minus 8, which is 10, and then you'll divide that by 2. And that will give you the distance of the measurement that needs to go from the top and on the bottom. So let's see, it'll go 5 inches from the top and 5 inches from the bottom. In this case, I'm going to just measure from the bottom because it's a straight edge, and that will give me a more accurate line. So let's see here. Alright, so measure 5 inches from the bottom and put a piece of tape and mark where the 5 inches is. Do that twice. Take another measurement, 5 inches, put a mark. So that's the baseline. That's where the bottom of my decal is going to be. So next thing that you're going to want to do is hold your decal up to make sure it looks right. And again, you'll want to measure the sides too. Use the same formula. The width of the decal minus the width of the window divided by 2 will give you your space on either side. So that looks right. And the bottom is aligned to your tick marks. Now take your masking tape and apply it to at least 3 sides of the decal. So there's 1, 2, 3. And squeegee your decal. Run firm pressure over the decal just to make sure that it is stuck nicely to the application tape. Alright, the next thing you want to do is tear your decal away from the tape that was holding it to the window. And that gives you registration marks. So now we have a mark on each side of our decal that aligns with the window marks here. And next, you will want to flip your decal over and peel back the backing tape, or the backing paper, approximately 1 inch. And grab your scissors and trim that 1 inch off. What this does is this creates a hinge for your decal. An alternative method, make sure that you align the tape marks together here. An alternative method would have been to place your decal against the window, and you can run a piece of tape along the edge, this side here, and that creates a hinge as well. But this method is just a little bit faster, so that's what I like to go with. Go ahead and squeegee the hinge down and peel back about half of your backing paper. And go ahead and squeegee this half down. You'll want to squeegee from right to left and up and down. So from right to left, and then your squeegee should be going up and down. And you can actually roll the backing paper up a little bit. Maybe you have a larger decal than this. and squeegee just a little bit at a time. So we'll go ahead and squeegee this down. And now I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of my vacuum paper and squeegee the rest of the decal down. The last thing to do would be to remove the vacuum or the application tape from your decal, and then you're all done. So if you have any questions with this, then leave me a comment below or send me a message, and I'd be happy to answer it to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching.